What's up, my Credit Wealth Capital crew? This is Renata with Credit Wealth Capital. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any information that we put out on every single Wednesday. Now, today, we're going to talk about how to start building credit with credit cards. So, without further ado, let's get it. Credit cards help you build credit because credit cards issuers typically report your account and activity to Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. These bureaus gather this information to you create a report, and your credit score is built from this report. And this will actually, other credit card companies will actually look at this credit card, your credit score, and actually will give you that limit. Will identify what limit that you actually provide. Now, I did a video about the 5 factors that will affect your credit score. I will post it up here. Actually, it'll be over here. I will post it up here, and I will also link it in the description box below. Okay, you guys, the best way to start building your credit with credit cards is basically getting an authorized user on your account. This is the quickest way. If you know somebody that will actually allow you to get on their account that you can actually use to help you build your credit, is a great way to start. Now, make sure that they have no late payments on their account and that their credit card is in good standing, because whatever information that's on their credit report attached to that card will show on your credit report as well. Okay, it will be identical, so make sure they're in good standing. Okay, another way is a secure credit card. Now, a secure credit card is a great step to help you build or rebuild your credit. Now, these function like normal credit cards, but you will need to put down a refundable deposit on the account. And with these secure credit cards, it'll take anywhere between 6 to 8 months for that card to mature to become an unsecured credit card. In some places, you even have to call after that time for them to actually verify the account to upgrade that information. Okay, and the best secured credit cards that I know about is Navy Federal and Rewards Card, as well as ViStar Credit Union. They also have a rewards, a secure credit card as well. Okay, and then also, if you are going to school and you need a student card, Discover It has a great card for beginners to help build your credit. Okay, now you can also, like I said before, ask a friend or family member to add you on their account, on their credit card. When they do, their credit card companies can report the account to the bureaus in your name, and you will own a card and make purchases as well. But make sure the primary holder of that card are in good standing. You don't want to have a negative account on your credit report, because it defeats the purpose of building credit. Okay, once you begin building good credit on your own, it may be easier to get approved for different types of unsecured credit cards. Now, I did do a video about the 5 tips that you need to do about secure credit cards. I'll link it in the description box below, and as well I'll put it up here as well. Okay, now also, a credit card can either help you build your credit or it can hurt your credit. It all depends on you and how you use it. Okay, so we want for it to work to our advantage and get that excellent credit score. We want to make sure we focus on paying our payments on time and avoid maxing out the credit cards. Those are 2 best things that you can do that will boost your credit score up to that excellent status. Okay, and that's what we want to do, because we're trying to build that credit wealth and create that capital so we can actually do big things in our lives. Okay, and then also, like I said, pay your bills on time. The most important factor of your credit score is paying history payment to build your credit, and you make at least the minimum payment on the account, and every month. If you miss your bill payment due date, this may charge you a late fee, and you can also lose that introduction or that promotion interest rate on your card. So make sure you pay your payments on time and set up that auto payment on your account so it'll pay the minimum payment, and then you can actually go back and pay the remaining balance on that card, because we do not want to leave a balance on the credit card. We want to pay it off each and every month. Okay. Maintaining a low utilization rate on your card is another way that you can actually boost your credit score to that 800 range level. You want to make sure that you use at least 10% of your credit card usage on your card each and every month. And you also want to pay it off every month. So you want to increase your credit score, make sure you use less than 10% on your card. And that is that sweet spot. How to build now, building credit with credit cards is not the only way. You can actually get a loan to build your credit. Now, a loan is a car loan, or even you can do, Navy Federal has this program called a pledge loan. You can actually put down anywhere the minimum of 250 all the way up to $3,000 on a pledge loan, and you can actually set your terms of how long you want it and how much you want to pay each and every month. It's a great opportunity, and I believe other banks will actually do the same. You just have to ask, okay? Because when you're starting out, you can look into credit building loans, which are designed specifically for that purpose. Now, other common loans such as student, auto, mortgage can also help you build your credit. As with credit cards, making payments on time with these loans is most important factor to help build your credit, okay? So, remaining balance can also impact your score. This is why I always say pay your cards off each and every month so you won't have to worry about that extra factor, okay? Because it's enough going on in our personal lives that we don't need anything extra going on, okay, that we can prevent. So, other types of credit cards, such as utility bills, your phone bill, often don't get reported to bureaus or impact your credit. However, you can use Experian Boost as a free service that will allow you to add these types of accounts on your credit report that will help you build your credit. Okay, so you have options besides using a credit card to build credit. Okay, you guys, now building and monitoring your credit is another factor that you'll have to do. Whether you're starting with a credit card or using a loan to build your credit, you can monitor your credit by tracking your credit score online. Okay, now I told you about TransUnion as well as Identity IQ. Those are two great companies that you can actually see your credit report as well as your credit score. Now, I did a video called the best cards to boost your credit score, and I'll link that down below, about those two types of companies, and I actually gave you a good short overview and a video about how to do so. So make sure you go check that out, okay? Now, Experian also offers free access to your credit report and a free FICO score, as well ongoing credit monitoring and alerts if there are any suspicious activity on your account, okay? You can see the information, what information gets reported, and how it affects your credit score over time. So these are the best things that you need to do to stay on track of your credit report, because like I said before, your credit report is like your report card. We want straight A's. We want to make sure that we stay on track and that nothing's negative is reporting to our account, because we want to build that financial wealth. We want to make sure that we're not throwing away our hard-earned money, okay? So, my name is Renata. This is Credit with Capital. Let's take credit to the next level. Be you, be true, and I'll see you on the next video.